Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2020 Harris 210 cruiser. This particular boat is powered by a Mercury 150 Verado. Has the stainless ski tow bar on the transom with the stainless ladder as well. This is the single lounger layout floor plan. It does have the stainless safety rails here on the back. As we enter the boat, you'll see wraparound seating in the cockpit. Here at the helm, this is the high back chair with flip up armrest. This pontoon does have tilt wheel steering and hydraulic steering. You've got the total lighting package on this boat. 12-volt receptacle to plug in cell phone chargers and spotlights. Does have the Simrad GPS, Fusion stereo. As we come forward, you'll see the Harris has a ski locker and plenty of forward seating. This concludes the 2020 Harris 210 cruiser. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.